This is Mark. Thanks for watching.
Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice. The power of nature. The power of nature. An earthquake. An earthquake. An earthquake. An earthquake. A typhoon. A typhoon. A typhoon. A typhoon. A tidal wave. A tidal wave. A tidal wave. A tidal wave. There was a terrible earthquake this morning. A typhoon swept through our small village last year. There is a tidal wave warning in effect. Okay, great job. I'll see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.